What is a DAO? A decentralized autonomous organization is a blockchain-based organizational structure where decisions are made by the community through voting, rather than by specific managers or individuals. Its rules and processes are encoded in smart contracts, which execute decisions automatically and transparently. Delegating decisions to EES holders. Fans who hold EES shares will have the right to participate in all decision-making and development processes by casting their votes. Submitting a proposal for fans. Fans who hold 5 or more full EES shares will have the ability to submit proposals within the DAO. Any fan who has 4 approved proposals will be considered an elite. All individuals who achieve this rank will be eligible to participate in the Elite Reward Program.